Today you have your test on chapter 9. So it's going to cover all the things we've been doing in this chapter about measurement. So you're needing all of your measuring tools that we've used. So you're going to need your color tiles, you're going to need your paper clips, you're going to need your paper plate clock, and you're going to need, of course, your pencil eraser and your math book. So go ahead and get everything collected, pencil eraser, math book, of course, but then all your measurement tools, your clock, your color tiles, and your paper clips. And then we'll get started. All right, guys, so being a test, of course, I am not going to be giving you the answers, but I am going to go over it and make sure that you know what all the words are, so you don't need to ask your parents about that. So circle the clock that shows time to the half hour. So you guys can go back in your book to look at some of the other lessons if you need to figure out which one is showing time to the half hour. Do you see right here it says page 394? So you can go look at that page if you're not sure. Under the clock, underline, oh, let's notice this here. This one says circle. This one says underline. Got to read directions carefully. Underline the clock that shows time to the hour. And again, you can look at page 394 if you're not sure. Down here, you're going to use your color tiles to measure that chain. So again, you're not going to start here. These color tiles need to start right there at the beginning, and we're not going to leave gaps. They need to be right next to each other all the way across. Then write about how many color tiles that needs. Draw 3 crayons in order from, notice here, it says longest to shortest. So make sure they go in the correct order, and you need all 3. I know there are words right here. It maybe looks like you skipped that one, but you don't skip that one. Do all 3 of them. Next page, this is where we start filling in the circles. Mike measures a box with paper clips about how long is the box. So again, oh, you may not need your paper clips today. You're not using your paper clips to measure this box. You're counting his little tiny paper clips on here, and you put about how many paper clips when you actually count those all. 1, 2, 3, like that. Karen measures the crayon with color tiles, about how long is the crayon. So again, you're going to need your color tiles for that job. Okay, a red line is longer than a purple line. The purple line is longer than a yellow line. So which is correct? Now this is where your paper clips may be handy, so that you can put a chain of paper clips here to see how long that one is. And then you can go and you can check which red line is longer than that purple line. And then you can go through and check which one has a yellow line where the purple line is longer than the yellow line. You're going to color in the one that's there. Next page, what is the time? Do you see this one just has the turtle on it? Look at the hour hand. What time is it? Again, just the turtle. We did this one with paper clips before. You can kind of use this to sort of compare. The red line is about 4 paper clips long. The blue line is 1 paper clip longer. The green line is 2 paper clips shorter. You can start looking here. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's about the length of the red line. Which ones have red line that long? The blue line is 1 longer. Here's the end of the red one again. The green line is 2 shorter. So you guys can figure out what goes there. Now here, performance task. This is where you act things out. You're actually going to do the job rather than get tested on it. Choose 3 objects to measure. Measure the length of each object with color tiles. Now, boys and girls, you only have 10 of these. So even though you could reuse them, you don't want to measure something enormous. Okay, so don't pick like a table. Pick like scissors, glue stick, crayons, pens, pencils, etc. Order the objects from shortest to longest. So you're going to need to put the shortest one here, the medium-sized one here, and the longest one down at the bottom. Make sure that they're not just out there in any order. They need to be shortest to longest. Write each measurement. So if you're drawing an eraser here, you need to tell me how many color tiles long is it, because you're going to use pictures, words, numbers to show how you ordered the lengths of the objects. You're going to need to, so you guys can figure out whether you're going to use words or drawings. You're going to need to use numbers to tell me how long things are, and make sure that they go in order, shortest to longest. So first graders, there is math for this week. Get that test finished up, send it in, and then you'll have math again next week. Bye-bye.